Hey everyone, Travis Hegedus with InfinitySales10x.com. So I was on a group call in our school community, and the thought hit me from one of the sections that I don't hear enough salespeople and sales trainers and sales leaders talk about celebrating no. Yes, that's right. Celebrate no. Think of it this way. If you hear no and it gets you down, that does not prepare you for a great delivery when someone does pick up the phone and is interested and might say yes. So completely flip that on its lid. If you know your numbers, which all great salespeople do, you know your conversion rate, you know the percentage of no's versus yes. So if you have a 10% conversion rate and you make 100 calls, you know that you're going to connect with 10 people and get 10 yeses, right? So as you're getting those no's, why wouldn't you celebrate? The more no's you get, the closer you are to that yes. Celebrate the heck out of the no's. Celebrate getting closer and closer to that next yes. The more you celebrate no's, I promise, the less no's you will start getting. Have a fantastic day, and as always, if you want more of these great nuggets, check us out on school. The link is below.